Hello, welcome to the Peter Repeater. This is the Peter Bitcoin Show. We're just talking to you and making the most out of every single opportunity. Just looking at the charts for Bitcoin. We've got some patterns happening and we're going to make the most out of the situation. Just focusing on the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Chainlink, Ripple, all the main parts of Bitcoin, and then if we get any time left over, we'll go for a question and answers, and then we may also look at the daily crypto news. So all things considered, we are up and running the Peter Bitcoin Show. So what can I tell you from this graph? We are in a bullish pattern, a rising channel, as you can see from this blue line. We've got from the blue line, we've got the bottom there, and it's just a bit of a rising channel, breaking up to the upside sometimes and also into the downside sometimes, and that's just how it is. You could maybe say there's a bear flag if if you think it's going down and then it's going across, you could take that and get a measured move from there to the bottom, and in a bearish scenario you might think we go down to 37,100, but that's not happening because the bulls are in control. So that's the 1 minute time frame, but on the 15 minute is my go-to. We can zoom in and we can delete those, and we zoom out, and what we're looking at here is some fluctuating patterns. We've got we've got a top of 38,000, was higher on some other exchanges, but a top of 38,000, and it went down all the way to just below 36,000, and it's been recovering ever since. And then that was a couple of days ago, that big, let's just draw a line there, just a massive line, just a line there, just went from the top to the bottom, nothing drastic, just finding support again. And if I was to draw some lines of support and resistance, I would I'd be drawing the top there and the bottom here. So you see there's some confluence a couple of days ago around 37,000, and we're finding that as support now at 37,000, so that's good. So even if we break down from here, currently we're trading at 37,258. From the 37,200 we could drop down and test the support at 37,000, and then if I was to look at the pattern, I'll stay on the 15-minute chart, we could see that there's a bit of a trend line happening. So as we continue to go to the upside, we can find support, and then this is a symmetrical triangle which breaks to the upside half of the time, breaks the downside half of the time. We're just filling this pattern, and most patterns get filled. So that situation, we can see that there is a possibility of going mega boom fantastic to the upside. So that's good, and hopefully we can 7 minute is my go-to. I love the 7 minute. I don't even have it. I downloaded this app today. Of course I don't have the 7 minute. Can I type in no, I don't have the 7 minute, but let's go to the daily. Oh, we're very bullish at the moment on the daily. Zooming out, we had the double top April 21 and November 21. We had that double top. Things were looking bad in the middle. And yeah, it's just we went all the way up to 68k. That was looking good for us. But then of course we've had a bit of a bear market from November 21 to the bottom at around 15k December last year. So we've been in a bearish mode for a year and some change, and now we are in the start of a bullish 3 years. We've done a year of steady bullish growth here, and then just zooming in on the daily, we've got on the Bitcoin chart, so we've got a bull flag here, so we can draw this pattern here. So we've got, let's let's thicken those lines up. So we've got blue up there, and then we've got the part of the flag where we found some resistance, and then let's copy that. We've got two of those, and then the pattern bull flag like that on the daily. We can see that we've our target for that pattern is 43k. So by my estimations, we could be hitting, and this is all in dollars, we could be hitting 43k later on this year, 19th of November. You heard it here first on the Peter Bitcoin Show. 43k on Monday, 20th November. So we've had a look at the Bitcoin chart. This will be a short live stream because I'm just dipping my toes in the water. Bitcoin looks bullish. We've had how many green candles in the day? We've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a row green candles, and then we're looking at one red candle but could still turn green. And the price action at the moment, it has gone up since we started live streaming here. Let's just have a quick look at some of the other coins that I'm interested in. ETH is pumped based on the ETF news. ETH went from 1,886 all the way up to $2,130. A pump of, if I can, I don't know how to measure the move there, but you know, is you live and you learn. Don't really know how to work it. I don't know how to show you the percentage, but it's from there all the way up to there. We had a big green candle on the Ethereum, and things are looking. Let's have a look at the 15 minute. See what's happened in the latest price action. Had a couple of green candles. Things are going up. We've got a rising channel, so I'll just show you that. Just a rising channel, and it's almost, if I draw it correctly, it's just about breaking out. Could find resistance, but it's just about breaking out at $2,089 at the top of this blue rising channel, and we could break out. I don't think we've got we might have an inverse cup and handy to the downside. So we've got so we've got this inverse as a cup and handle. That could be a downside pattern, but it's a little bit far-fetched, to be honest. But we'd be happy if we saw this this breakout of the rising channel here. Bearing in mind I have no technical analysis experience other than watching other people on YouTube, that's right. So let's just look, without drawing too many patterns, at Ethereum. We've looked at Ethereum. Let's delete the... No, save it for next time. So we'll look at just a few ones that I'm interested in. XRP. XRP is looking good. Pumped up earlier, but it's just had a bit of a green day, so it's looking good. Cardano. Cardano's looking good. See Cardano on the daily. What's happening? Yeah, it's just so much green. It's ridiculous. Just draw that line. Boom, boom. Mega fantastic. All the way to the top. Settings. Percent change. It's just gone 65% in a matter of a month. It's just ridiculous, but that's all right. And then we are looking at, next of all, just to finish it off, let's look at Chainlink. Chainlink. Oh, Chainlink is so green. It just keeps on going up. It's right now at $16, which is just ridiculous. Let's get the line out. Let's see how many percent it's done. 130% since 19th of October. It's just ridiculous. It's just gone up so much. More than double, 130%. It would have been good to be on that trade. I profited a little bit from that. And then last of all, we like a good altcoin. We've got XTP. I don't think it's anywhere. XTP Bitcoin. We're quite far down on the daily. Currently at 12. And then let's look at the 15-minute on XTP. This is Tapcoin. Yeah, it's just recovered, so it's just gone up slightly. That's good. So yeah, on the daily, things are looking pretty miserable, but we can forecast that we'll get a pump again, hopefully, and that will keep us going in the bull market. So thank you everyone for watching. This has been the Peter Repeater with the Peter Bitcoin Show. Thank you everyone, and bye for now. Tune in next time for the Peter Repeater Show. The Peter Bitcoin Show, I mean. Bye bye.